Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview portable outdoor inflatable spa hot tub. This bubble massage spa provides simple maintenance with an easy-to-replace filter cartridges for lasting enjoyment for up to 4 people. A carry bag is provided for easy storage and transport. An inflation hose is included for easy inflation. The easy-to-use control panel on this garden hot tub activates the 130 high-powered bubble jets surrounding the interior of the spa for a refreshing massage. The built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin for a soothing experience. Product benefits: built-in hard water treatment system. Insulated ground cloth provides enhanced thermal retention. Digitally controlled pump with soft touch control panel. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.